Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best RV mattresses on Amazon. RV mattresses are an essential task for every rig owner. It's the only way to ensure you can enjoy your traveling experiences fully. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Lucid Memory Foam RV Bed. Are you looking for a high-quality mattress to fit in a limited space? Lucid 5-inch memory foam RV bed would be an excellent choice for your needs. This option comes with a low-profile design capable of fitting easily into tight spaces like a trundle or bunk bed. The mattress's 5-inch thick construction should then have no issues providing high-quality performance. It features high-grade memory foam and dense base foam layers to offer comfortable sleeping sessions. I was thrilled to see the base layer had been infused with bamboo charcoal as well. This feature will help keep the mattress fresh with its hypoallergenic properties. We can avoid common RV mattress issues, such as mildew or mold. Given this information, it should have no problems providing proper support to whoever sleeps on this mattress. Number 2. Cool Gel Classic Brands RV Mattress. This classic brand's Cool Gel Memory Foam RV mattress has a reputation for being a useful product in various situations. Buyers have used this option in dorms, bunk beds, motorhomes, cabins, and much more. This mattress is ideal for multiple applications because it utilizes pressure-relieving gel memory foam. It works much like a Tempur-Pedic RV mattress by using this material to increase breathability and temperature regulation. It's a simple and effective way to make us feel cool during the hot summer. This feature was one that customers often would praise massively in their reviews. RV owners with allergy issues should pay attention to this option as well. The naturally hypoallergenic foams used to make this mattress are resistant to allergens, mold, mildew, and bacteria. The mattress's 11-pound construction is another winning trait. Number 3. Dynasty Mattress Camper Mattress. The Dynasty Mattress Memory Foam Camper Mattress is a popular commodity among rig owners living the luxury life on their travels. In other words, those people riding around in those monstrous Class A motorhomes and fifth wheels. This model appeals to these rovers since it comes in 3 different king sizes: Twin XL King, RV King, and California King. Each of them has an overly thick 12-inch construction, which most other beds have no chance of competing against. Notably, the mattress has a well-known high level of durability. It can hold up to 500 pounds without showing any signs of damage. This model shouldn't have any issues lasting its entire warranty period or longer. Number 4. Dynasty Mattress 10-inch Cool Breeze. The Dynasty Mattress 10-inch Gel Memory Foam RV mattress has made many motorhome owners happy with its all-foam construction. It contains a top area of 2.5-inch gel-infused memory foam and another layer of 7.5-inch high-density foam. As a result, this Dynasty RV mattress provides a comfortable night of sleep that most people wouldn't have thought was possible in an RV. Those aches and pains should become a thing of the past when sleeping on this bed. I should also mention the gel-infused memory foam utilizes sleep-cool technology. This aspect allows the mattress to transform around your body and stops heat from building up. You should expect it to provide nothing but a cozy night of sleep. These mattresses cover is another feature capable of making your life less stressful on the road. In detail, it is machine washable, which gives the bed an easy cleaning process. Number 5. DreamFoam Bedding RV Mattress. Rovers looking to personalize their sleeping experiences should consider buying DreamFoam Bedding Pillow Top RV Mattress. This mattress comes with 3 different thickness options, which allows you to customize the amount of support it provides. For instance, I would choose the 11-inch pillow, a great model, because it offers a much softer sleeping surface than the other 2. But a side sleeper or someone who needs medium support would do much better with the 9-inch Euro Top mattress. These choices provide a buyer with more control over their final product than a lot of other models. It's an excellent addition to offer a customer a much better possibility of finding their perfect mattress. It'll make sure your body gets the comfort and support it requires on any part of the bed. As a result, any aches or sores will be dealt with quickly. Some of them include a 10-year warranty, multiple size options, an affordable price tag, and 30 per US certified foam. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products